What's going on, guys? In today's video I'll be showing you how to do this Instagram multi-post, but this time only using your phone and not Photoshop. God damn, diggity. First things first, you're going to need the app called Planoly. Basically what Planoly is it enables you to sort out which photos you want to post. It gives you like an opportunity to sort out your theme before you actually even post on your Instagram, which is kind of cool. So first grab your photo and then load it into Planoly. From there you're going to need to hit this grid icon. Click onto that and then click onto those two squares. From there you're going to need to frame the subject to the place you want to post. Then hit the multi-tool, as you can see. After that, hit upload and it should go to your Planoly. Click onto it. If you want to, you can change the caption, sensational, and then hit post again. You can just check to see you've got the right pictures. Perfect, hit post. It's going to ask you to log into your Instagram and then take it to the Instagram app. Once it's taken you into the Instagram app, upload your photos, hit the multi-tool button at the top right corner, select your two photos, and we're bam. That's it, guys. Anyway, guys, a lot of you requested asking me how to do this on just a phone and not using a computer, so there you go. If you like this video, share, subscribe, comment, like. If you want to see me make any more tutorials, then leave me know in the comments below. I read every single comment, guys, so if you want to contact me, just let me know. Also, we're close to 1,000 subscribers, so share, subscribe, comment, like. Peace.